Have you ever clicked on an ad and reached a page that looks different from the main website? A page that talks only about one product, one offer, one button. That page is called a landing page. In today's video, we'll understand what a landing page is, why brands use it, and how it works with very simple examples. Let's begin. A landing page is a special web page where people land after clicking an ad, link, or promotion. It is not a normal website page. It is designed with one purpose: to make the visitor take a specific action. A landing page focuses on one goal, one message, and one action. A landing page removes distractions like menu bars, too many options, multiple links. It shows exactly what the ad promised. You click an ad for 50% off sports shoes. You land on a page that shows only sports shoes with a 50% discount. This increases the chances you will buy. When users come from an ad, they expect to see the same offer. A landing page keeps the message clear, simple, and consistent. Brands collect name, email, phone number, requirements. A coaching institute runs an ad. Download free sample papers. Landing page collects your email, gives the sample, follows up later. Brands can easily track how many clicked, how many signed up, which audience converted, which ad performed better. Landing pages give accurate data. A landing page works in a simple flow. User clicks an ad, user lands on a page made only for that ad. If the ad says, book a free demo class, the landing page shows details about the class benefits a book free demo button, nothing else. The landing page builds trust. It uses clear headline, short benefits, photos or videos, testimonials, social proof, short form. This action is called a conversion. Imagine you search on Google, best English speaking course, free demo. You see an ad, free spoken English demo class, join today. You click it. You land on a page that shows short headline: improve your English in 30 days benefits list, trainer details, success stories, a simple form with name, phone, city button, book your free demo class now. You fill the form, institute receives your details, you get a call. This whole process is because of a landing page. Catchy headline, clear and direct. Example: get 50% off on sports shoes, today only. 1-2 lines about the offer. Why should someone take action? Product photos, demo video, screenshots, reviews, ratings, testimonials, bright and clear. Example: buy now, register now, get demo. No long menu, no multiple links. Normal website has many pages, many links. People get distracted, leave. Landing page, focused message, one button, clear purpose, better conversion. If a brand wants people to sign up for a course, they will send people to a landing page, not the website homepage. A landing page is a dedicated page for one specific action designed for ads and promotions. Clear, simple, distraction-free, helps brands get more sales, leads, and conversions. Landing page equals focused page, which is one goal plus higher conversion. Like and subscribe for more easy digital marketing terms, explained in simple words.